Welcome to Ghost Academy. Today I am gonna make QR code generator GUI application. I am designing the user interface with PyQt5 Designer by drag and dropping widgets. And I convert the UI file to py file using pyuic.exe. Please refer to the video on the top right corner for more info about creating GUI apps using PyQt5. After converting, I am making new file to code the QR code generating part. I am using a module called QR code. Using this module, I can customize QR code colors such as back color, center color and edge color. Also, we can make modules of QR code appear round-shaped. I am using multi-threading to stop the application freezing when running. Let's check how it works. This application displays a thumbnail image of generated QR code. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more videos.